morning and welcome back to the next Celica video. I'm in 1991 Toyota Celica GT, and in this video we're going to see if we can get this car running any better. So something I want to try is to get some tape round here, because this is split, this intake. So we'll try a bit of tape round there, see if it helps with air leaks, and then we'll see if that's any better. So I decided it'd be easier just to pull it off, and you can see where the split is, just in a bit of an awkward place. We'll try some tape round it. So I don't know if it'll work, but I've nothing to lose except my sanity, and I've already lost that. So I've got plenty of tape around it, all buttoned up. No idea if it's going to work, but we'll just try firing up and see what happens or not. Alright, time to fire it up. I did have 10 litres of petrol. Oops, I need a bit of a... No. I think I might have made it worse actually. By doing that, it's made it run worse. I probably need to adjust the air, maybe adjust the throttle, because it's not open enough. Now it's getting the right amount of air. So I'll adjust that and see what happens. I've managed to get it to idle. So I don't know if I've made any difference or not. All I know is I've plugged a possible source of air leaks. So moving onwards. Now somebody suggested I do an Italian tune-up, but unfortunately I can't really drive this on the road. So it's going to have to be a variation on the theme. So first thing I'm going to do, in that respect, I'm going to put this in the tank. It's got at least 10 litres of petrol in. I'll just add all this. And then get it up to temperature, then give it a bit of a thrashing, so to speak. You know, I'm not going to redline it or all like that, but just hopefully try to blow some crap out of it. There might be crap in the injectors. Like I says, I'm doing absolutely everything to avoid pulling the injectors out, because you've got to take our inlet manifold out. So I'm just trying to avoid that. It's an absolute last resort as far as I'm concerned. So I'll just add this in the tank. Wins petrol injector cleaner, £6 from Alford's. Not a sponsor, even though I bought all these Alford's tools, but it's because they are good tools. That you can check out my videos. Shouldn't see them, only modular tray sets. Anyway, I'll get this in the tank. We're getting up to temperature, and there was a point where it was trying to cut out, but I just kept pressing the throttle and I heard it backfire a couple of times. So I wonder if I started to clear it out. I think that's what it needs, just a good blast to clear it out. Yeah, the Italian tune-up, but unfortunately I can't do it the conventional way, so I have to do it static, just to get it up to temperature, then give it some revs, see what happens. And oh, there we go, cut out. So hopefully fresh fuel and that injector cleaner might just clean these injectors out. That's as I'm I'm doing everything possible to avoid pulling them off, because to me that's a last resort. You can see your mirror, you can see some fumes. I won't bore you any longer, I'll just say keep on going. Well, it seems to be idling quite well at the moment, and fans cutting in, so yeah, it's up to temperature. I think I probably might put some more petrol in just to get fresh petrol going through it, and just keep doing it. Hopefully it might just clean the injectors. If not, I'll just have to bite the bullet and pull them out and see where I go from there. So I'm going to end this video here. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.